Hello, my name is Lee and I run a property maintenance company. I've been asked by Tool Talk to review the Profit holesaw system. I'm going to do this by comparing it to my existing holesaw system. I have two identical drills with fully charged 4-amp batteries and a typical kitchen cupboard side. So, here goes. And quick change. As you can see, that was quick and painless compared to my old saws. Which is a much slower and more tedious process. The other thing I like about these that I've not been able to do previously is drill at an angle. The way you do this is so, there you go. Profit do a complete range of hole saws to suit most needs, and I can highly recommend them.